Hey there, I'm actually back to working on my kitchen, finally. And I just finished building the cabinet that will go in the corner, and there'll be a video about that coming up soon. However, I've got a problem here. The pot light that I installed in the bulkhead above was for a different layout for the kitchen. I've since changed my mind about things, or at least this corner cabinet anyway, and so I need to move it. Now I've got this hole saw that's very nearly the right size for the pot lights that I used here. It just needs to be a very small amount bigger. So what I did was I added screws to the side of the hole saw, and what that'll do is it'll ream out the hole just enough for the pot light to fit in. And you really want to be holding the drill with both hands when you're doing this, rather than trying to hold up a piece of cardboard to catch the dust as it's falling down. But anyway, I got it done, and I moved the pot light to the new hole. And then all I have to do is fill the old hole, and I'm going to do that by putting a piece of plywood up there as a backer, and then I can screw the patch in. And the patch is actually the piece of drywall that I cut out for the other hole location for the pot light. There is another pot light in this kitchen that's in the wrong place. And I mentioned this before, but I've been putting off moving it. And I figure now is as good a time as any to do that work as well. The difference with this one is it doesn't have to move very far. And that complicates it a little bit. And I obviously can't use the hole saw for this one, so I have to cut it up by hand. But then there's exactly the same procedure for patching it up. And a couple of coats of mud later, and it looks as good as new.